This video is in the model 5008. It's an 8 selection payment station. It allows you to make payment with your credit card, cell phone, like Apple Pay or Visa, MasterCard, American Express. You make your payment. Example, in this case here, this particular customer, we're getting ready their machines, they're charging $2 for a wash or a dry. So to make payment, as an example here, I'm going to make payment with my card.
Authorizing. Thank you.
Now it just sent $2 to the computer. It allows you now to select from 1 to 8 different washers and dryers. So I'm going to pick washer number 2. When I press that, what I just did was I sent a 100 millisecond pulse out of the machine. Now inside the machine, you'll see the relays. There's 8 of them for each output. Now we sent the payment out of number 1. So we would close that little relay, went for a click. You can actually hear the relay go click. And it would have sent a 100 millisecond pulse directly to the coin-operated machine that it's running in parallel with. Yes, parallel. So you can operate cash and cashless with our equipment. This can be configured also for time vend. So for example, from 100 milliseconds to as long as 32 hours. Now, if you get a chance to look closely at the relays, you'll see there are 30 amp relays. So that switches a lot of power. You have 8 relays. Each one will have an output to a washer, dryer, or a car wash, or any application, multiple stations, like for sports, where you have pickleball and pickleball court lighting, and you can operate 8 different courts at one time. From each relay, you would run a pair of wires off to the controller relay, as they call it, generally like a 30 or 50 amp relay. Or if it's light duty, you can go direct here. You can operate 110 volts on light duty, but maximum is 30 amps. The machine has the cam lock and then has 2 additional locks to secure the cabinet, making it totally waterproof. It's operating using the NIAX Touch credit card processing terminal here. It's going wireless, generally either AT&T or Verizon. I'm going to do another vend as an example here.
Authorizing. Thank you.
I just made payment again for $2, and you'll see all the lights came on for the push buttons. When I press one of the buttons, I debit. Your little light click you heard there, that was that 100 millisecond click of the relay, which sent a pulse off to the washer or to the dryer. For more information, contact XCP Corp, 352-678-3021, or xcpcorp.com. Thank you for watching our video.